Maganda Mr. Duterte. Yes, ma'am. You ever overheard in a certain incident that you threatened a certain Alfredo Mendoza? Kala mo na sa simbahan ka, nag-e-echo eh. Alfredo Mendoza. And what is really reprehensible is that 2 days after you threatened Mendoza, he was found dead with a gunshot wound in the head. What the hell is happening to your city? Ambot. Ambot is, ewan ko, ambot sa langaw. Well, anyway, trabaho niya yan. And I said, ma'am, if you have the goods on me, if you think that the proof would be enough to prosecute me, file the case in court. I'd be happy to see you there.
One word, Mayor, ang inyong isasagot sa aming mga katanungan.
Yes, sir.
May mga pangalan ng tao, may mga... Ako na una magbebuhay naman, Mayor Duterte, Secretary Leila de Lima.
Like Jane of Tarzan.
One word,
Jade.
Okay. Si Inday, Sara Duterte.
Rebellious.
Eta Rosales.
Old age.
Nasagot niya na yung kay GMA, no? So, yung susunod na.
Okay.
Davidson Bangayan ho, alias David Tan.
Wanted in my list.
Senator Bongbong Marcos.
Good guy.
Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. One word.
Gentleman.
Pope Francis.
Near God.
Mar Rojas.
Near disaster.
Prospero Nograles, sir.
2 words na yun.
Retired.
Paano? Near disaster?
2 words, near disaster. Bakit Mar Rojas near disaster?
Mahilig mo siya magpunta doon sa mga disaster. So, yun lang
Malapit.
Senator Miriam.
More than qualified.
One word nga. Naging 3 words.
Brilliant.
Okay. Wait, teka. Cheese Escudero.
Not so brilliant.
One word.
Okay. Friend.
Okay. Pinoy.
Friend.
Pinoy.
Friend.
Si Pinoy, friend.
Number 2, Karen.
Wait, teka. Grace po.
Beautiful.
Bo.
Mayor, isa pa tanong ako. Karen